What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Pandora, the postcard diva here. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. You're getting ready for your holiday weekend. Be safe, whatever you decide to do. Enjoy yourself. But we're here before we get out here and start celebrating. Let me remind you guys, that's what I'm here to remind you of. We got that special bonus. I don't want you to miss it. But before we get into that, make sure, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go hit to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around on this page, all right? But we're back here with Home Business Academy. Let's get into that for a little bit here, but let's get into the disclaimer. No income claims, no earnings are guaranteed, guys, all right? Individual results vary based on work, commitment, and skills. You can learn the skills here in the Home Business Academy if you apply yourself, right? That's the deal. Bottom line, this is not a get-rich-quick program. You must put the work in, all right? For full earnings disclosure, make sure you go to the hba.app/income. All right, 10-year program. They paid out over $7 million in affiliate commissions. It's amazing. All right, so let's get into this here. So let's go here first. All right, a couple reminders here. Don't forget about my summer special. As you can see right here on the screen, you can go check this out at www.residualsystem.com to go ahead and get started. You can start from over here where we were earlier, right? You can come here, Coffee and Coins, and get started right here. Click this green button, or you can just go straight to www.residualsystem.com. So I'm offering a summer special because I want to help as many people as I can see the value in this program and how you can, build yourself a residual income. All right, using all the tools, the AI tools, the coaching and training that they provide. They've been doing this, guys, for 10 years. All right, they wouldn't be here if they couldn't be here. And it's been proven. Thousands of folks are members of this program. All right, and we're constantly showing you, hey, let me show you what's going on, results of people that this is working for. Of course, if you apply yourself, that's the bottom line. You got to apply yourself. So I got a summer special for everybody that go all in, brand new people, and my existing members. So if you're an existing member, you already joined with me and you haven't purchased all 4 products, you can take advantage of this promo as well, okay? First of all, when you go all in, you're going to take advantage of all the education, the training, and coaching that they have to offer, period, okay? Then number 2, you're going to be able to take advantage of the comp plan, okay? You're going to be able to earn on all 4 products, and you leave no money on the table for those sales to pass up to your sponsor, right? All right, so that's the advantage there, okay? All right, so summer special is ready and rolling. All you got to do, again, is go all in. How much is it to go all in? I'm going to talk about that in a second. All right, and the company pays out 80% commissions on each product, okay? Go all in, what happens is I'm going to run traffic, right? I'm going to run traffic, a solo ad for you for July and a solo ad for August. That's traffic on me. You're going to provide me with your turnkey link, right? And what does that look like? Let me show you. Okay, we all get this page right here. This is what it looks like. Okay, you'll have your page and we're going to track it so that you'll know those leads are coming from the traffic resource that I am using, right? You'll know that. So you're going to come here and you're going to go to affiliate, right? And you're going to go to my business and give me your link, right? Right here is where your link is going to be. It says your turnkey capture page, grab and go marketing link. All right, I have everything blurred out right now, but right here, this is the link you're going to give me. And we're going to track it. So when your leads fall in here, right down here, like so, see, it's going to be tagged. Like these last 2 shows my lead gen secret. This one shows YouTube. See, we're going to know because we're going to put a special code in here, right? So you're going to give me that link, and that's how we're going to, you're going to be able to track it, okay? All right, so again, go all in. All in is going to be all these. Whoa, let's go back. All in will be all the products. Let's Go, Funnel Builder, Premium Financial Literacy. All of them. All right, as you can see, I am all in, right? Right here, all in. Now, it will cost you $500 for this financial literacy product. So it's $500 plus the $35 for these three. Okay? So you pay $535. All right, this product right here, you don't have to pay for again. It's a one-time payment. It's $500 because it's retailed at $1,000, but the company is going to give it to you 50% off because if you become a customer, they're giving you a discount. Okay, after 10 days, the price will be $1,000. Okay, but guess what, guys? We're able to earn $400 commissions and $800 commissions off of promoting this product, this financial literacy course. All right, so powerful. It's a great course to have in your arsenal if you're out here making money online, right? All right, so that's what that course is. Let me click it. See? Essential financial knowledge. It teaches you a lot of stuff on how you can save money, put money back in your pocket while you're making it. All right, so anyway, all four is what's going to be required to do that, right? All right, now, meanwhile, the company has a special bonus. All right, this was from a webinar that took place on Monday, showing you how to use 2 traffic methods to get leads. Okay, and put it on autopilot. It's 2 tools in here that you would be using to do that, and it's explained in this webinar. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Also, they're offering a bonus. If you get to 35, if you get paid $35, okay, not going all in with them, just paying 35, you can get this special bonus. All right, what is a special bonus? Channel to Leads Checklist. It's a YouTube training, your step-by-step guide to setting up your channel the right way. All right, a checklist here. Stop getting views, start getting leads. A special bonus. Downloaded mine. This was given to all of us that's existing members, and then for folks that go ahead and sign up for this $35 starter pack. All right, let me make sure this page is refreshed too. I think it is, because see that clock is ticking, guys. When this is done, when it strikes 0, this bonus is over. Okay, hang on a second here. I got too many things open. Hold on. Okay, I just wanted to make sure it's up to date. There we go. I had too many things going on. All right, as you can see, so this is the timer, guys. This is not a clickbait situation like, oh, and then you look next week, this link is still up. No, it's going to go down. This is how they do it here. When this is all zeros, this page goes away. Okay, it goes away and it turns into a capture page like this. It's going to revert back to this. Okay, and that means the bonus is gone. All right, so you want to take advantage of it. Number one, again, joining HBA for $35 is amazing, because again, you're going to get all the training you're going to need. You're going to get all the tools, get access to all the tools. You get the live training and coaching. All right, but this right here, this is a training. It gives you the traffic methods that's working now to get you leads. Okay, so don't miss out. Just wanted to refresh your memory and a reminder of this. All right, go watch it. Link is in the description. It's going to be tagged as replay. You don't have to opt in. You don't have to put an email in. Just simply click the link. It's going to bring you directly to this page right here. All right, and you want to get signed up, all you have to do is click this button right here. All right, click this button and it'll take you to my sign up page where you can check out. Okay, all right. Matter of fact, let me just show you what it looks like when you click this button. That way you know you're on my page. Click here and it takes you, boom, right here. Home Business Academy, Triple Residuals. Got me here, my name. All you gotta do is fill out this information and check out. See right here, it shows you the summary. $35 is all you're gonna spend today. You're gonna get 2 weeks of that premium training that includes those tools and everything that they're talking about. And guess what? One of those trainings, guys, you're able to earn $100. One of those products, $100 residual month after month. This is the training that gives you all the AI tools and the daily coaching Monday through Friday and all the replays, because this is live. This is not your BizOp program where you just log in and there's a bunch of trainings in there. You just press play. No, this is live, right? So you're getting the top tier training here with this premium. All right. So anyway, you're able to earn $100 over and over as long as folks keep their premium membership. That's month after month, guys. Those hundreds add up. And then you're also, so you're getting 3 products here, but you're only paying for 2. Less Goal is $10 a month. You earn $8 residuals. HBA Funnel Builder is $25 a month. You earn $20 residuals. Okay. Again, as long as folks keep these, you're going to earn them over and over and over again. And the other cool thing about this program, you only need 2 people to be in profit. Okay, yeah, one person you're breaking even. Like, oh, okay, I paid 35 and I got one person to pay 35. Okay, I just broke even. But to be in profit and put money in your pocket, 2 people. That's it. All right. So awesome way, again, to earn the residuals. Okay. So again, this link I'm going to put in the description so that you can get started. Again, all you got to do is click this button and go ahead and sign up. So you don't even have to opt in. Okay. All right. But I am going to put the link, the residualsystem.com link that's going to take you here because I want you to see. Okay. This way you can get on the email list. You can see how the company is going to follow up with all the emails for you, right? You don't have to set this thing up. It's already set up. This link here, when you come in here to the affiliate, your turnkey system is ready. This grab and go link, all right, that's what this page is. That's this page. And when you opt in, you'll start getting the emails from the company, okay? We don't have to send those out. They send them out to follow up with our leads, and it has our link in them. Okay, so you'll have your link in your emails that the company is going to send out to all your leads on your behalf when they come through this system right here. This is the turnkey system right here, done for you, 0 setup, no tech. All right, you can even buy yourself a nice little domain in here if you like. That's what I did. The residual, that residualsystem.com, I purchased it out of this system here, the domain Scout. All right, and that way it's already set up and forwarded to my turnkey system automatically. That's why they're saying skip the tech, skip the setup. Your page is live because they've already taken care of that for us. As soon as you make your purchase of your product, the company has already forwarded your new domain to this page if you decide to get a domain. Okay, it looks great when you do that if you're going to be marketing online, right? It's not required, but it looks good. So anyway, that's the deal. So go ahead and get signed up. All right, and real quick, just want to show you that this is working for others as well. I'm inside of the social, right? I click social, and it's a live recognition where it shows you people are actually earning sales. I mean, this is real, like 16 minutes ago. Okay. And then you can see right here where they've posted that bonus I'm talking about. Well, we all have access to it. I'm not going to click here because it's going to give out the link, but it's already ready to go. So you've got to come in here and get it. All right. That's how that works, guys. This is a simple, simple business. And remember, you get support here. That's the other thing. We've got the community, and then we've got these different masterminds that you can get on and get your questions answered 5 days a week. Or you can also send your question in right here when you're on this page here. Let me back up. Hang on. Let's go back to affiliate. Over here in affiliate, see right here it says have questions. Get instant answers from Sage. You can do Sage first, which is right here, this little green bubble to the right. You can ask Sage any questions. Sage has been trained just like a human to answer any questions about Home Business Academy, right? Or submit your question for our live masterminds and they will answer the question, okay? Pretty cool stuff. Now, so I've shown you where others are earning commissions. Now let's show you. Thursday was payday. So let's see here. Hang on. HBA pays out every Thursday. Okay, like clockwork. So if you look right here, it says July 1st. I received an email from eWallet support, and I'm going to move this over a little bit. Look at the dates. So I've been getting paid every week here for the last few weeks, right? Typically, pretty much, all right? And if you look here, I'm going to move this over. See, they're from eWallet. Okay, every time you get one of those, that means you got paid. All right, so these strategies are working for me as well. Okay, that I wouldn't be getting results if I'm not doing something, right? You can't just sign up and sales come and fall into your lap. You actually have to take action and apply yourself, right, guys? Okay. All right, so go ahead and get your triple residual starter pack. You can start for $35, right, to get the bonus that they're offering. But if you want to go all in, well, if you want my summer special, you've got to go all in. Remember, $535. Okay. All right. Now, lastly, just so you'll know, HBA has what they call a 3-day money back guarantee. So you really have nothing to lose. You say, let me try this thing out. Okay. I haven't been successful with anything else I've been doing. Everything I've been doing hasn't been working for me. So why not try this 10-year program out? All right, for $35 or the $535, right? 3-day money back guarantee. You can try it, test it, use the tools, go through all the training, watch the training, check out everything. In 3 days, if you feel like, hey, this is not what I thought it was going to be, I think I want to cancel. Guess what? Just come down to this page, shoot an email to support and say, hey, I'd like to cancel. It's no issue. They'll cancel it. Nobody's going to try to twist your arm or do any of that type of stuff, because the products, the training, the tools speaks for itself. That's why we're here, because it has a lot of value in what they're offering. All right? They wouldn't be here for 10 years if they couldn't. And remember, this is not multi-level marketing, okay? So we don't have spillovers, one-ups and all those type of things. Okay, it's direct sales, affiliate marketing, one tier. All right, that's it. That's all. I've also put my info in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to have you as a part of the team. All right, guys. Now, before you get out of here, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.